congrats on being willing to ask for a raise. So there's 4 steps. Step 1, print out that original job description when you got the job. Step 2, create a memo of everything that you've accomplished to hit those goals from the job description and what you've done above and beyond the job description. Then print out that memo. The third step is look at other similar job titles in your city and see what may be similar in terms of raises, or maybe you notice that you're not getting paid as much. And then fourth, set up that meeting with your supervisor and use something called the thank you sandwich, which goes like this. Thank you for the past X years, while at the same time looking at the original job I did, I've been able to exceed all of my goals by doing A, B, and C. So include 3 examples of how you've exceeded your goals. And based on exceeding my goals and even looking at comparable and similar jobs in the area, I do deserve an X raise. I've actually compiled and printed out my job description for you to review, a memo of everything that I've completed above and beyond and similar jobs around the cities so that you could have the needed information to help me make sure I get a raise.